In this video, I'll show you how you can check for updates on your Windows 10. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First, what you want to do is you want to come down here and you want to search for Windows Update. Now open up this one and you will come to the Windows Update page. And from in here, what you can do is you can see the updates that are pending. As you can see, I have one here pending, one here pending, and one here pending. Now what you can do is you can simply press install now if you wanna install them. Another thing you can do is there are some optional updates that you can go in here and they will be in here. You can find them in here if you have any. And that's basically how you can do it. There's some more options in here like your security and stuff, but it's really simple. You just open up the Windows Update and you'll be able to see everything in here. Now obviously if you don't have any updates, it will just say no updates available. And that's about it guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.